Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA Tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Athleisure Assassin from Fortnite. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. So I'm gonna begin with drawing her cap with a curved line across right there. And from the left corner, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line upwards and out, semicircular turn to the right, curved line across, semicircular turn downwards diagonally on the right side. Now above that shape, I'm gonna draw a circular line across the top of her head, turn it downwards on the right side. Now for her hair, in the middle point, below her cap, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line to the left and downwards. And at the ending point on the left side, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards right there. Turn it slightly inwards at this lower point, semicircular turn back out at this lower point. Below the cap on the left, I'm gonna draw another curved line downwards. Turn it inwards at this lower point, curl it back out at that corner, sharp turn back up at that point. From the left side of the hair, at this upper point, I'm going to draw another curved line down, curl it inwards, turn it back outwards, and turn it upwards. Another similar curved line at this lower point, curl it out, sharp turn back upwards at that corner. At the side of that, I'm gonna draw a curved line. Now for her hair, on the right side, I'm gonna draw a curved line down below the cap, turn it slightly out, curl it slightly inwards at that corner, and sharp turn back up at this outer corner. Sharp turn outwards and curl it slightly up, sharp turn back in at this upper point, back to the cap. On the right side of the cap, below, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards, extend it all the way to the lower point, curl it to the left, and a curved line upwards at that corner. On the right side of that hair, I'm gonna draw another curved line downwards. Now for the shape of her head, I'm gonna draw from the right corner of her hair a diagonal curved line to the middle point on the left, semicircular turn diagonally back up on the left side. For her glasses, I'm gonna draw a curved line across at this upper point right there, and another similar line slightly below that. For the lower part of that glasses, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line to the right and downwards from the left corner, semicircular turn upwards diagonally to the middle point, and I'm gonna mirror the same set of line on the right side right there. Slightly below that, I'm gonna draw a similar line again across to the right. And on the right side, I'm gonna draw a curved line diagonally downwards, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the left corner right there. Below the head on the right, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards, turn it to the right diagonally, semicircular turn downwards at the side of the shoulder, and turn it diagonally out. Now for her left shoulder, I'm gonna draw a curved line out from the hair, semicircular turn downwards, and curved line downwards to the elbow point. Below that, turn it slightly out. And for the inner line of that arm, I'm gonna draw a similar line right there, curved line across at this lower point, line downwards on both sides, and a curved line across at this lower point. Continue the line of her arms downwards and slightly inwards towards her wrist on both the inner line and the outer line, curved line across at the top of her glove right there, line downwards on both sides, and a curved line across at this lower point. Below that, on the right, a diagonal curve line downwards, turn it downwards, semicircular turn at the tip, upwards, sharp turn back down to the fingers, and diagonal turn to the right, semicircular turn back up, turn it to the right at this upper point, and I'm gonna copy the same shape for the other fingers on the left right there. At the side, a curve line upwards all the way to the side of her wrist. At the outer corner above her knuckle, I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape at that point, and on her finger I'm gonna draw a curve line across in the middle point right there, and on her thumb as well. On her elbow I'm gonna draw a curved line across at the side right there. Now for her sleeve I'm gonna draw across a curved line at the side of her shoulder right there, and at the side of her left arm I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line downwards and inwards, semicircular turn outwards below the waist right there, semicircular turn downwards at that corner. Now on the right side of her outfit, at this inner corner of her right arm, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards, slightly out, and turn it back inwards towards her waist, turn it downwards, and curved line below that, slightly inwards at this lower point. Above her tummy, I'm gonna draw across a line at that corner, and at the middle point of that line I'm going to draw a curved line upwards, turn it diagonally to the right shoulder at this upper point, and I'm going to copy that same line on the right side right there, and another line across at this corner. Below her waist, I'm gonna draw a curved line across for the top of her pants, and another curved line across below that. Below that line on the left corner, I'm gonna trace the same line on the side of her pants right there, and below that, a line across. Diagonal turn to the right and downwards, turn it downwards, and across back to the left at this lower point. Inside of that shape, I'm gonna draw lines down at that corner, another one right there, and on the left side of that line at this upper point, I'm gonna draw a line up to the left, turn it downwards to the lower point. On the left side of that, I'm gonna draw a V shape in the middle point right here, and I'm gonna trace the same outline on the left corner and the V shape in the middle, and on the right side here all the way upwards. Below that, I'm gonna draw a line down on both the sides at this inner corner. I'm gonna copy that same set of shape on the right side right here, and I'm gonna copy the side of that on the left corner right there. Above her pouch on the right corner, I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape right there, and another similar one at this outer corner on the right. In the middle point of that shape, I'm gonna draw a line across, turn it upwards at the sides, turn it diagonally to the right and upwards on both the left and right. Above that strap, I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape at that corner, and inside of that, a small circular shape at this lower point. Another rectangular shape on the left corner right there, and for the lower line of the belt, I'm gonna draw across a curved line at that point, all the way to the right. Now at the lower right corner of that pouch, I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape at that corner, and above that a curved line upwards to the middle of her pants, and continue that curved line downwards below that strap. Continue the inner line of her legs downwards below the strap, semicircle turn slightly inwards at the knee point, curved line downwards all the way to her ankle point, and for the outer line of that leg I'm gonna draw a curved line at this outer corner, slightly inwards to the knee point, another curved line below that, slightly outwards and back inwards towards her ankle point. I'm gonna extend the line of her legs all the way to her shoe, and above the ankle point I'm gonna draw across a curved line at that corner. Now for the top of her shoe I'm gonna draw a curved line upwards at the side right there, semicircle turn across in the middle, semicircle turn back down on the right side. Below that a curved line across at the side, semicircle turn downwards, and I'm gonna copy the same shape on the right side. Below that I'm gonna draw some crisscross knots in the middle point right there, and from the sides above I'm gonna draw a semicircle turn downwards, flare it slightly out below the ankle point on both the left and right, semicircle turn at the side, and curved line across. Slightly above the base of the shoe I'm gonna draw another curved line across. Below the nuts in the middle I'm gonna draw a line downwards, semicircle turn to the side, and semicircle turn downwards. I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side as well. Now for her right leg I'm gonna extend the outer line on the right there downwards, and for the inner line a curved line diagonally downwards at that corner, another curved line below that, slightly out and back inwards towards her ankle point, and I'm gonna do the same thing for the outer line of the leg right there, and for the shoe curved line upwards at the side, semicircle turn across, and semicircle turn back downwards. Below that a similar shape at the side right there, some knots in the middle point, and from the sides above curved line downwards, slightly flare it out at this lower point, and I'm gonna do the same thing for the right side of that shoe, semicircle turn at the lower point right there, and curved line across to the left and upwards, another similar curved line across slightly at this upper point. Below the nuts I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards, turn it sideways and downwards. I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side there as well, and above her ankle point a curved line across. Now for her right arm I'm gonna extend the line of her arm downwards, and I'm gonna do the same thing for the inner line right there, another curved line below the elbow point, turn it slightly inwards again to the wrist, and I'm gonna do the same thing for the outer line. Copy the same shape of the hand as the left hand, and on her sleeve I'm gonna draw across a curved line at the side of her shoulder. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.